Commander Walters. No, wait!
We're shattering the silence. We're rising, defiant.
What?
Shouting in the quiet.
Tom, everyone's clear. Come on, let's go. You. What are you? Tom! Tom, come on, it's gonna be okay.
What did you do? What I had to. What kind of hero abandons his friends to pursue revenge? Abandons his family?
Don't you dare talk about my family.
And here I thought you cared for them. Especially the one, what's his name? Tom.